Hey everybody, this is Jason Ricci, and welcome to Free Friday from the road. Here we are. Hey, check this out. This is our pack. It's all the way packed.
Ooh.
And it is Thursday night, and I just finished a gig. We have we got to drive tonight, but I'm quickly make a Free Friday. I have a cool little jazz blues lick for you guys. This is one of the first licks that ever started making me feel like maybe I was playing some stuff that horn players play. Okay, so we're gonna start on the 3-draw half step bend, and it's gonna go, and then to the 3-draw 4-blow, 4-draw bend, 4-draw. Now you can also start on the 2-draw, go up to the 3 half step bend, and then continue the rest of the lick. You hear that on the end of the song Chicken Shack. Something like that, right? So anyway, so here you go. So let me show you how to use it. So just on the 1 chord, now when you go to the 4 chord, you just do 2 deeper bends, 3 double bend, 3 half step bend. The rest of it's exactly the same. Back to 1. Changing the phrasing. That's it. Just, and then just the deeper one. And you can go up to 6 blow. Tongue block it, and then just play anything you want. Like you could do cool little chromatic stuff. We gotta go. I'll see you. Where are we going? Hartford, Connecticut. See you there tomorrow.
Right.